This is how you set the time on your Casio W-86. All you need to do is to press the mode button 3 times. We are going to be able to reset the seconds to 0 using the button on the right. If we want to continue, so to move forward, we are going to press the light button. Here we can adjust the hours. So you can press one by one, or you can press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is very useful, especially when setting the minutes. Now we are going to press the light button once again, and here we can adjust the minutes. I can use the speed scroll function. We are going to make it 30. So once you get very close, you can release the button and go one by one. If you want to continue, you can also set the date right here. So the month, the day of the month, and the day of the week, and then the process is going to repeat itself. Once you want to end the process, so to finalize, press the mode button and you are done. You have set the time on your Casio W-86. If you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel because it helps the channel grow, and leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel. If you are into watches, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one.